But this is my last time. Christmas cookie. Here, everything. Jam, egg, bacon. Such a mix. Guys, I hope it's safe. But it's definitely better than before when we mix a lot of things and ingredients. But it's not really worth to try it.